Hello friends, today for social studies you are going to be listening to a read aloud of the story Papa and Me, and we have actually read this during one of our live lessons before, and the standard that we are working on today is IDK25. I see that the way my family and I do things is both the same as and different from how other people do things, and I'm interested in both. So what you're going to be working on today is watching that read aloud, and you're going to be talking about things that are the same between your family and the story. So the family in the story is Papa and the boy. And so what you're going to do after you listen to the read aloud is you're going to write a sentence and draw a picture to tell me some things that are the same between your family and Papa and the boy. So in the story, Papa and the boy like to do lots of things: sing, play, cook together, go to the park together, ride the bus together. So you're going to find something that is similar between the boy and Papa and your family. And you're going to tell me some things that are the same. And you can do that by drawing a picture or writing a sentence. I gave you an example of some sentence frames to help get you started if you're not sure where to start down here. But you can do it any way you want: picture, sentence, just a few words, however you want to do it. Tell me some things that are the same between Papa and the boy and your family. Then upload a picture of your work where it says click here, or text a picture to your teacher.